Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Athens, Greece. And this is the Athens Central Market, or Greece Central Market. I don't know, but it's a big, huge, crazy market. Fish on one side, meat on the other side, but it's pretty crazy. Let's go take a look at it together. It's pretty big. So this is it. So, and there's like it's huge. And so and it's not fully open yet. It's 10:50 in the morning. So, but it's crazy big. I mean, there's just tons of restaurants and tons of products, and it goes on both ways. So there's like this section here, and you can see the cow symbol up there. So like there's beef on this side, and that's what we're looking at now. And then they've got a pork section, and they have a fish section. And let me show you this. So this goes way down that way, and then it goes this way. And I can't tell you if the prices are good or bad or right on, or because I just have no idea. So I don't know. But I guess there's chickens here and ducks here and chicken breasts and gizzards and wings and stuff out in the open air. Pretty amazing. $3.69, and there's flies on it, and you know, I don't know. So it's hard to tell what is. I mean, I don't know anything about a good price or a bad price or anything else, and I don't even know what the hell it is. So like this, it looks like a spinal column with liver and guts and heart, and like the inside of a, whatever that is. I don't know. And you know, you can't read it either. I don't know. It's pretty interesting. So let's just take a look. That's all we're doing. And so it goes way over there too. So this goes, I mean, it literally is huge. I mean, it goes way down that way, and then it goes way this way. Oof. So I think they have fish over here. So they've got cow or pig feet and stuff, and then brain and penis. I don't have any tripe. I don't have any idea. But I can tell you this. Oh, they got a fish side. Oh my. Oh. Oh. It's quite fishy here, that's for sure. Wow. Wow. So the smell is horrendous. Oops, sorry, bro.
Mario.
No worries. And you know, the hard part here is you can't tell what the fish is. I don't know what those are. Mackerels, tuna, trout, salmon, grouper, tuna. I don't have any idea. And shrimp, tons of shrimp. And squid and tentacles and octopus and such. So salmon's $11.99, and eel, and I don't know what those are. I'm gonna go home from standing in this stuff. This liquid, this icy, watery, nasty, skanky, fishy stuff. Every cat in the world is going to follow me home. Wow. So it looks like all salmon. So is sanamos make equal salmon? I don't even know what these are. Well, there's a sucker. Anyway, all right, moving on. So I don't know if all the markets around here buy all their fish here or meat here or eat squid. Yikes. And I don't know what that is either, but it looks like a fish something or other. But it is, so this market is enormous. And this is just the fish section. And some of it's real expensive and some of it's pretty cheap and some of it's pretty scary. Yeah, so everybody has about the same price. So like salmon's always $11.98, and I think that's probably a kilo, but I don't know. And there's crab, shrimp, and so it keeps going that way. So, but then there's a whole nother section here. Let me pass this guy. Oh, excuse me. Wow. And it looks like they're making ribs or something, or steaks, or... Yeah, I don't have any idea. But there's more beef and over here, and it keeps going on, and... Maybe this is the pork section, because that looks like sausage to me. And these look like pork ribs almost. Wow, I don't know. But this is the Central Market, everybody. Athens Central Market. So they have chickens here and chicken breasts and, is the glass cold? I guess it's pretty cold. But I don't know that I don't know. People buy it, I guess. I don't know they wouldn't. Yikes. I guess I'd rather have it in a container behind glass than open air kind of stuff so that it's got flies on it and stuff. But and it keeps going that way too. I mean, it really is this huge market, and you can see how big this street is, and there's guys on every side trying to sell you something. But a lot of this meat looks like it's been here for a bit. You know what my motto is? Well done is good for you. Yeah, I don't know. Chicken feet, I guess, and pork feet, and pig's feet, and the lady's covering her face trying not to smell it. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the Central Market, and it is quite the place. I guess you find your person and you stick with that, I guess. I mean, and some of these look really good. Those pork chops look amazing. But is that pork too? I just have no idea. I know that's chicken. Oop, sorry. Anyway, Athens Central Market, everybody. And what are these? Are these like, I guess those are livers and gizzards and breasts and hearts and Yeah, I have no idea. You know, and you can't read much, so at least I can't. You can have a whole chicken and you get the feet and the head too. You could have a little beak soup. Anyway, that's it for me, everybody. Thanks for coming. Bye.